Dear student, as desired by all of you, and I am also requested from all of you to do some from trigonometry, particularly practical use of trigonometry. Usually it is termed as height and distance. More revision class, entire trigonometry will be given within a week, 2-3 class will be given more, but we have started the trigonometrical analytical part, that is practical use of trigonometry. We know that there is a angle of inclination, there is a question of horizontal line. So, figure 1 I am discussing figure 1. Someone is want to see the object P. Object P want to see, that is raising his or hers toward the object, that is on the, it is called, when it is the upper side of the horizontal side and the person or anyone want to see the object, he or she should raise his eyes. It is called angle of elevations. It is called angle of elevation. It is horizontal line OX. It is angle of elevation and P is above the axis. It is above the axis. It is under the axis. P is above the axis. There is an object and someone is want to see the object and raising his eyes, and the angle created with the horizontal line and the line of object and the O, that is the angle is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is always above the horizontal line or the plane or horizontal line. Or another example is a explanation given. It is horizontal line, it is eyes, it is line of sight to see the object, and this angle between the horizontal line, and it is called angle of inclination, and it is termed as angle of elevation. Angle of elevation, that means angle with horizon and the line of sight, it is called the angle of elevation. It is already the upward portion, upward side of the horizontal line. Similarly, we are considering another situation. Here there is object down the horizontal line and the angle between the object, that is line of sight and the horizontal line, on the line of subject, the lower portion of the horizontal line, the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight in the lower portion, when that is the depression from the angle, and try to looking the object P, it is called to angle of depression, that is lower portion is called the depression angle or angle of depression. So, we are getting an idea when we are observing or try to see the object above the horizontal line or the plane, it is called the angle, the object line, that the line of sight and the horizontal line is called angle of elevation. And another case, when someone is want to see the object, the lower portion of the horizontal line, that the sight line of the lower portion and the horizontal line in between the angle is called angle of depression, that is to depress or lower, that is angle of depression. It is horizontal line, another is angle of elevation. Elevation is the upward side of the angle and downward side, and at the time of the depression or to the lower side, you want to observe the object, the angle in between the horizontal line and the line of the sight of the lower portion is called angle of depression. And we know the ratio of sin theta, ratio of cos theta, ratio of tan theta, ratio of cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta, etc. we know. But there is a problem 1 and problem 2 initially there are two easy problem is given to give a proper idea. From a point O, from a point from the foot of a tower, there is a tower PM, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point of the tower, it is the base or point of the tower. Someone is standing here and want to see the height of the tower, the top position of the tower, want to see the head of the tower, and from the one person is standing here at the position O, and the distance between the man or the person and the tower and the horizontal line is 20 meter. And the angle of elevation means what is angle? Line of sight. This one is line of sight. Someone is standing here, want to see the top of the tower, and it is angle between the object line, the line of the sight and the horizon equal to 60 degree. So it is clear, it is a 90 degree. Angle PMO is a 90 degree. Angle of inclination or angle of elevation, as angle of elevation is 60 degree, and someone is observing the tower of the head, and he is standing here from the 20 meter distance from the tower M, that is O, from the O. Now according to problem, OM is, what is OM? OM and MP or PM equal to height and OM equal to base. That means height and base or altitude or base equal to tan theta, theta equal to here 60 degree. We know tan 60 degree equal to root 3. So MP, that is height of the tower, equal to 20 into root 3 equal to 20 into 1.723 equal to 34.64 meter. 34.64 meter. That means one person is standing here, want to see the top of the tower, and from the base of the tower he is standing 20 meters from the base of the tower, and angle of elevation, that means line of sight, the angle between line of sight and the base equal to 60 degree, where height by base equal to tan theta equal to sin 60. Therefore height equal to H equal to height of the tower, that is equal to MP equal to 20 into this equal to 34.64 meter. We have taken another problem. It is very problem at elementary level. Day to day we will give more good problem. Now I am coming to problem number 2. The problem number 2, if the angle of elevation of the sun is 60 degree, the shadow of a plane tree is 12 meter in length, find the height of the plane tree. Now the plane tree height is AB. AB is the height of the plane tree, and the length of the shadow, that is equal to BC, and the angle of elevation of sun, that is, it is called the light of sight, equal to 60. That is, we have to find out this height of the plane tree and the angle of elevation of the sun is 60 degree, shadow of the plane tree due to sunlight of the plum tree AB equal to BC, that is equal to 12 meter. We have to find out the height of the plum tree. AB is the height of the plum tree. ACB equal to 60 degree and ABC angle ABC equal to right angle triangle ABC is a right angle, obviously it is 90 degree, and the angle of elevation equal to 60 degree. Now we are considering AB equal to the height of the plum tree and the shadow equal to BC. AB by BC equal to 60 degree. AB equal to perpendicular or altitude by base equal to tan theta equal to tan 60 equal to root 3. Now AB equal to is the height of the plum tree, AB equal to root 3 into base E. Therefore, height of the plum tree A is equal to AB into 2 into 12, 3 into 12, 12 root 3 meter is the height of the plum tree. That is, it is the height, it is the base, or it is the hypotenuse, that is equal to line of sight, and angle of elevation is 60 degree, and this angle equal to 90 degree. Then height of the plum tree is to be find out, and the shadow of the plum tree equal to 12 on the horizon or the horizontal line. Now AB by BC equal to tan theta, AB equal to perpendicular by base equal to tan theta equal to tan 60 equal to root 3. Therefore, AB equal to 12 root 3. Now we are on problem number 3, practical use of trigonometry. I am now first of all I am going through the problem. A kite is flying at a height 60 meter above the ground. From the horizontal line, it is 60 meter above. The kite is flying. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the ground. That means it is attached here. That means string is attached here tightly. There is no chances of bending. But the string with the ground is, and the angle in between the string and ground equal to 60 degree. String and ground, it is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, that is AC. Assuming that there is no slack, that means there is no loose the string, there is no looseness of string in the strings, there is no looseness, it is tight in between the kite and the ground with the string. Now that is, it is hypotenuse or it is the side of light. Acha. Now ABC is a right angle and the length of string is AC. ABC is a right angle triangle and CAB equal to CBA equal to 90 degree and CAB equal to 60 degree. CAB means what is CAB? CAB equal to, what is CAB? Equal to BC by AC equal to sin theta equal to sin 60 degree. Then BC equal to 60. We have to find out the AC equal to, AC is kept AC. Now AC equal to that, the ratio is 60 by AC equal to sin 60. Therefore, AC equal to, what is AC? AC equal to 60 by 60 upon sin 60. 60 upon sin 60. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. That is 60 by root 3 by 2 equal to 16 to 2 by root 3 equal to 120. Equal to 120. by root 3, 120 equal to 4 into 3 into 40, 3 into 43 into 40, 3 can be written as, that is equal to 40 into 3 by root 3, that is 40, root 3 into root 3, we are cancelling this equal to 40 root 3 meter. That means from it is tied here, the string, and it is flying, the distance between from the ground and the kite which is flying, that in between the distance is, that means the string, the length of the string equal to 40 root 3 meter. That means ABC is a right angle triangle, it is the string, it is tied here, height equal to 60, it is the ground, we are not interested about the ground, is not required here, we are now this upon this, that means perpendicular upon hypotenuse equal to sin theta, therefore AC equal to 60 by sin 60 equal to 40 root 3 meter, hence the length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. Another sum, it is a objective or MCQ, it is MCQ is given because for this year MCQ question is very much important, only there is no difference between MCQ and short question, all are same, but in the question is presented in other ways. A pole of 6 meter height cast a shadow, there is a pole and making a shadow due to sun. This root 3 meter long on the ground, that means it is the pole due to sun ray, their shade or cast is due to, that means height cast a shadow due to sunlight from this pole, it is AB, the length of shadow is 2 root 3 meter, length of shadow is root 3, and the height of the pole is 6 meter, height of the pole. Now we have to find out the angle of elevation of the sun. What is the elevation of the suns? Now we know what is this, height upon base, that is height equal to, it is BC, and AC equal to, what is AC? AC equal to base equal to 2 root 3. Now sin theta, sin equal to, that is perpendicular or altitude upon base, altitude equal to 6, base upon 2 root 3, that is 3 root 3, 2 root 3, first of all 3 into root 2, we are cancelling 2, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 upon root 3, 1 root 3 from numerator and denominator you are removing. Now we are getting tan theta equal to root 3, tan theta equal to root 3 means tan 60, therefore theta equal to 60 degree, then sun's elevation is 60 degree, that is either there here MCQ option A equal to 60 degree, that is equal to 60 degree. That means one pole and due to due to sun ray, a pole height 6 meter cast a shadow 2.3, and we have to find out the angle in between AB and AC. That means along this, then sun's elevation, if we make a ratio in between this and this, there will be a relation, this and this equal to height or altitude upon base equal to tan theta equal to root 3 equal to tan 60 equal to 60, sun elevation is 60 degree. Now I am concluding the class. In the next class we will do more problem on practical use of trigonometry. Thank all of you.